Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix allow access to camera missing. If you want to allow access to camera to anyone apps and your allow access is missing, so let's see how can you fix it. First you have to open your phone settings. In settings just scroll down and look for screen time. Here's the screen time, tab on it, and here just look for further settings, which is content and privacy restrictions. There are some restrictions, so just tap on it, and here tap on allowed apps and features, select it, and here you must have to look for camera. Here you can see the camera is turned off. Let's have the restriction, so you just have to tap on it and it will be enabled. And after doing this, just go back. If you want to disable all the restrictions, you just have to tap on it and all the restrictions to your phone will be disabled, but you might have to customize them. So after that you just have to go back and here look for privacy and security, tap on it, and here look for camera. Here's the camera setting, select it, and here you must have to allow the apps which you want. But if your problem doesn't solve by this method, so you have to make a final step, which is make a force restart of your phone. For this you must have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. First volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button until your phone screen has been fully blacked. So just wait for it, your phone might be black, and after that the Apple logo will be show, so you don't have to release the button. Now you can release the button, and after doing this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to allow access to camera to your apps. So that's how you can easily fix a large camera access. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.